So welcome to our primary bedroom. Originally this room was very bright and it's also a larger room than what we're used to. And so just for the comfortability of it, we decided to go with this navy color. It's Sherwin-Williams Naval. And even Hannah's mentioned, since it's been painted, that we get a better night's sleep with it being so much darker in here. But she was inspired a lot by ChatGPT of what we wanted it to look like, and I think she decided that she wanted to go the Ralph Lauren look, and she could talk a little bit more about that side.
Jumping off of what he said, I gave ChatGPT a picture of this room and told them the direction that I wanted to go in, and it is just amazing how AI can work to help you design a space, help you to see portion size or dimensions, and how to create just a space that you may have an idea for that you might not know how to do it all by yourself. And so that was something that was really fun. And who knew AI can design your house? So we went with these tan Ralph Lauren curtains that I just love. I love floor to ceiling curtains. I just think they look pretty grand and also just really elegant. The whole bed set is from Restoration Hardware. I bought it for my first home in Minnesota, and I just love how it's such a transitional piece that can be decorated, both feminine, masculine, all the above, and I just love how it works in this space. So for our bed, we have the linen just down comforter, and then we highlighted some Ralph Lauren pillows and a Pottery Barn leather bolster pillow.
This dresser, as we mentioned before, we've are now well acquainted with Facebook Marketplace, but I forget the guy's business name, but he buys furniture from overseas and he refinishes them. But as I've learned how to understand Hannah's style, I send her things off Facebook Marketplace all the time, and either she loves them or she hates them. And I sent this piece to her, and she fell in love with it. And she said no originally because of the price, but being that we both loved it so much, I thought that it would be an awesome piece in our primary bedroom.
This is probably a lot larger than a TV that you would normally see in a primary bedroom. I'm married to a sports guru, and we love to just watch a movie and go to sleep, but we'll probably end up taking this out to our patio when we redo our patio, as it's gigantic. Some Ralph Lauren coffee table books, and this is the Italian style, an Italian antique from Round Top. This is probably a good example of what I would say my style was like before color, and I'm just so happy how your design style just evolves as you expose yourself to more things and try different things. The day that we were gonna paint this bedroom navy, I was like, are you sure? Like, I'm not positive, that's really dark. And we're just so thrilled with how it turned out. This is a fun quilt that my grandmother made for me. It's all my favorite places. I went to TCU, and it's just super fun. It has my College of Nursing. I'm a big chicken nugget girl. Just people that meant a lot to us, and just everything that kind of encompassed my college journey. I was the first grandkid to go to college in our family, and so it's just a fun piece that brings so many memories back from college. So this is probably the wall that ChatGPT did the most with. So we got married, like I said, on a ranch in Round Top, and we just fell in love with a particular wedding photo, and I wanted to integrate it into our room, but also create kind of a gallery wall. So these pieces are all kind of varied where they're from. Some are from Etsy, and we just framed them in a home goods frame. This is of the farm attached to the ranch that we got married in. This is my favorite boot brand from Fort Worth. I have a couple pairs of boots from them. In the background is my mom's excess wallpaper. And then this is one of my favorite home decor hacks. This is out of a book, like a Western coffee table book. I just find that art that I'm not 100% sold on, I don't want to spend a fortune on. So it's really fun to take something out of a book and frame it, and honestly, I don't think I'd change any of them. yeah, they've just been fun. This is a Facebook Marketplace find that's just super sweet and a watercolor. And then this is the wedding portrait that I was talking about. It's pretty large, but I just love the scale on the gallery wall with both the new and the old, and just love how it turned out. Before we go into the next room, this is a piece that I purchased for Clayton. It was originally in his office before he found the whiskey piece about what you think of me is none of my business. And then it just happened to work perfectly in our bedroom. This is just a canvas that was an ad on Instagram.
It's also burnt orange. We can't have that in the maroon office.
Pretty against Texas in this family. We'll next go into our guest bedroom. So before we enter the guest bedroom, this is a piece that we were gifted from from Clayton's aunt that is all of our wedding paper products. I just love how it turned out, and they're just too pretty not to frame. And this is a super cool piece as well. This is actually a piece of the dance floor that we had designed by our wedding planner, and then we hand embroidered all of the table numbers. And so I just thought it was a fun way to display it, bring some of our wedding into our house. All right, welcome to our guest bedroom. As I said earlier, something that I've fallen in love with as I've gotten more into decorating a bunch of blank walls in the space is Etsy. They're great for digital downloads. This is a frame from Home Goods and then a print from a designer on Etsy. Then these pieces, we have two of these in here that are bookcases from an antique store called High Street that both me and my husband both had one. So lots of storage in here. And then this is my parents and my first love of Ralph Lauren, and just love having that piece in here, and then having some of the most important people in our lives, or in my life specifically, in here. So if they ever come to stay, they can see all our memories together. These lamps were an estate sale find. Like I said, I usually tend to go modern with light fixtures, but I just love these. I love the glass, I love the brass, and I just think they're so pretty. Something else that I love to do is not do matching nightstands. I love having pieces that just are either mean something to us or are just more accessible in the space that you have. This bed is actually a Walmart bed from the Pioneer Woman. I just love the texture it has on it, and then also designing it on a budget. This bedding was all from our wedding registry on Anthropology, Amazon pillows, and then a Furbish little pillow. All right, so like I said, I love to do not matching bedside tables. This is actually from our cabin in Minnesota when we sold it. I wanted to bring a little piece of it to our home, and I just love, it's been in our family for a long time, and I just love how it looks in this space.
What home means to us, we've had this discussion before as we just recently got married, of an open house versus a closed house. And I think I grew up with a closed house, and that doesn't necessarily have to have negative connotation. It's just, to me, the home is such a peace and comfort area that I can just stay here and relax and do my thing. Whereas I think she grew up with more of an open household, and just as we combine our lives together, I think we're becoming more of that open household, to where we want to meet and greet everybody and have such a welcoming home.
Yeah, I think the home is so impactful. It is where we spend a lot of our time, but it's also where we get to love on others really well. Something cool that we got to do in the building stage of the house was we went through every room and picked a Bible verse and wrote out a prayer in every room, and really just got to take some intentional time to pray over what we want this house to be, what we want it to represent, how we want to usher people in that don't have another place to go, where we can just really show the love of Christ in our home, and that's really important to us. But also just a cozy place that we both feel like we can unwind and just start our lives together.